It is back day. Starting off a little bit different here. We've got the lap pull down stuff with 40 kg and with the top set of 70. Now we've got the logo, and let me just tell you, we're starting off here with 30, top set of 50, and then drop set down back to 40, I believe. But let me tell you, these roads are just not hitting the same as they was a couple weeks ago. They're just not hitting the same.
As you take my hand, just as you write my number down, just as the drinks arrive, just as they play your favorite song, as your body disappears. No one will wind up like a spring before you had too much. Come back and focus again. The walls have been in shape. They got a Cheshire cat grin, all blurring into one.
Now we've got the regular row, and just want to point out, look at that arch on my back. I don't even know what's going on there. But we're starting off with a 30 kg, and then moved on to a top set of 60, which is a PR. I don't know what happened with this row. This row was alright, just the other one just ain't going that well.
Between the notes, the beat goes round and round. The beat goes round and round. Never really got there. I just pretend.
Now we move on to just one single set of hammer curls. Just using 12s this time, just trying to warm up a little, get the blood flowing in my arms. We got some easy curl bar now, starting off with 7.5 each side, and then moved on to top set 10 again. Preacher Girl now for a couple sets, still chilling on the 15. It's just a good weight for me.
I'll be here waiting, baby, to get what you deserve. The end, and if your life won't wait, then your heart can't take the sound. You heard the news that you're dead. No one ever had much nice to say. I think that I liked you anyway. You're dead. What you planned and wasn't every great if we were dead. Dead. Tongue-tied and oh so squeamish. You never fell in love. Did you get what you deserve? The ending of your life. And if you get to heaven, I'll be here waiting, baby. You get what you deserve. The ending if your life won't wait, then your heart can't take it down. You heard the news that you're dead. No one ever had much nice to say. I think that ever liked you anyway. You're dead. Me from the hospital bed. Wouldn't it be great to take a pistol by the hand? And wouldn't it be great if we were dead? And in my honest observation, during this operation, found a complication in your heart so long. 'Cause now you got maybe just 2 weeks to live.
Now we've got some rope hammer curls. It's actually quite hard. Just trying to get that squeeze at the top. Not spend too much time on the, I think it's the eccentric or decentric, I can't remember which one. But try not to spend too much time on the way down.
Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the music.
Bayesian curls. I did a lot of sets of these, just trying to like burn my biceps down, completely make them finished. Since it being the last bicep day of the week, and these were going ham. The burn and squeeze I was feeling was incredible. If you don't do these already in your lift, I'd recommend introducing them.
Hand in hand, just to trust, and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. Baby, are you ready? 'Cause it's getting close. Don't you feel the passion ready to explode? What goes on between us, no one has to know. This is a private show. Do you know what you started? I just came here to party, but now we're rocking on the dance floor, acting naughty. Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. We're hand in hand, just to trust, and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. 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 I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. 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 Music, 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 music.
Then lastly we got the 3 sets of 15 on the L raises, then only recorded 1 set of incline setups because my phone died once again. But I'm going to do these at the start of the week, and then at the end of the week don't really train abs that much. I don't feel like you need to train them that much anyway.
Вот это прикол!